Hi guys, if you want to see how I did this beautiful shirt, then please keep on watching. Today I have a tutorial for you. It's actually a DIY tutorial, and we will going to create this shirt that I want to use for one of my upcoming shoots. And the inspiration for this shirt I actually got from one of the Beyonce's performances for her Miss Carter show. And I'll put the link for the clip where I saw down below. It's a shirt heavily decorated with black crystals, and when I saw it, I love it, and I thought that I have to have it, I have to photograph it. So I had to buy a shirt, and I was super lucky. I went to Goodwill and I actually found the one that is very similar to the ones that Beyonce wore. And first I was considering to get like a hot fix crystals. Is the one that has glue attached on the back side, and then you attach them with the iron. But then I actually found some acrylic accessories that I already had, so I decided to went with them. I just purchased textile glue and I just glue them on. But of course, for a photo shoot it's totally fine, it looks great. But if you want to actually do this project and wear it, then I would suggest you to buy either hot fix crystals, the one that have glue underneath, or the sew-on accessories that you have to sew. It will require a time, but it will definitely look the best. The one that Beyonce has, actually it's all sewn onto her shirt. If you're interested how I got this shirt made, then please keep on watching. For this tutorial I'll be needing a shirt, an accessory that I'm going to be decorating with, and the fabric glue. I'm going to start by removing the front pocket from the shirt, and for this I'm going to be using a regular manicure scissors. It's actually a great tool for removing stitches. Next I will be using a ruler and a special tailor's chalk. You can find them in any craft store in the sewing section. A thin piece of a regular soap will do the trick as well. And now I'm mapping out the guidelines of the print where I want my accessories to be placed. Next, I'm taking my decorative pieces and placing them according to the guidelines. I'm not gluing them yet. For now, I just want to preview the final look and making sure the spacing between the pieces is right. Next, I'm ready to glue on the pieces, and of course make sure to read the instructions before using it for the best results. I continue to glue on my acrylic decorations. Next, I just continue to place the pieces and develop the pattern. And I use the picture of Beyonce's shirt as reference and inspiration. Again, it's not my intention to copy or recreate the design of her shirt. I'm taking the main idea and go from there. Now I'll be using a small acrylic crystals. Here I'm going with a different technique of application. I'm actually applying glue directly on the fabric and then using my special crystal pickup tool to place them on. Okay, here I skip some part of the process since it's the same, in order to save you some time. And now you can see the design for the front part. Okay, so Beyonce has a beautiful crystal star pieces on her shoulders. Unfortunately, I don't have those, so I'll be using 4 oval-shaped gems and will place them to create a star-like shape. Next, I'm designing the placement of the decorations for the cuffs and the collar. Just trying on different ideas and see which one I like the most. Gluing on final pieces and I'll be done. And here's the final result. So that's it for the tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get inspired or at least find it entertaining. Please let me know in the comment below, what do you think? Thumbs up and please subscribe, it means a lot. And lots of love from Houston, Texas, and see you next week. Bye!